Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Hotmail password. First click on browser. Go to hotmail.com. Click on sign in button. Enter your email, phone number or Skype. Click on next button. Click on forget my password button. Here you are asked, why can't you sign in? Choose the answer from the given below. Click on next button. Again click on. Here you have given the code. Enter the code. Click on next button. Here you are asked, how would you like to get your security code? I would recommend you to choose text. Enter your phone number, last 4 digits. Click on send code button. Enter the code. Click on next button. Reset your new password. Click on next button. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Yeah.